Welcome to KMH Graphics Studio blog, where I can show you how to design and create like a pro. Today, we'll be focusing on one of Canva's many features, the Magic Erase tool. With this tool, you can easily remove unwanted background objects or even people from your designs. Get started. Upload the image you want to edit on your Canva canvas. Next, select the image and click on the Effects tab. From there, scroll down and click on Magic Erase. You can adjust the brush size depending on your preferences. The tool will automatically identify the areas you want to erase based on the color and texture of your image. Simply drag your cursor over the areas you want to remove and let the software do the rest. If there are any areas that the tool misses, you can use the erase and restore brushes to make any final adjustment. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click apply and save your newly edited image. That's it. Canva's Magic Erase tool can easily remove any unwanted elements from your designs, making them look clean and polished. Just a few clicks. Happy designing!